Hello, salam. Well, today I want to talk about 10 ways to learn Persian faster. Okay, guys, I'm Asal, and today I want to give you some tips about learning Persian quickly and faster. Number one is Persian chat rooms. That is a very, very useful way to learn Persian. When I started to learn Spanish, I met a Spanish friend. He was living in Valencia. He helped me a lot in learning Spanish. It was very, very useful, more useful than reading books and doing exercises. So I have an idea right now. If you really, really want to have a chat room, I can create a chat room in Telegram, and you and other learners can join there, and we can find other native speakers also, so you can go and meet them and chat with them and chat together. And also, if I have time, I can come in the chat room and help you with some of your troubles and mistakes. I don't know. Number two, browse the internet. Yes, the World Wide Web is a gift to language learners. If you are not sure where to start it, I am recommending these two sites for you. Now, also, I put the links in the description. 3. Listen to the Persian music. You can download Persian songs in internet, and also you can search it on YouTube and find those things. It's better to listen to those songs with their lyrics. In this way, you can learn the correct pronunciation, and also you can train your ear for understanding the new words and sentences. Also, I can share Persian songs in the group chat if you want to. 4. Start with short stories. Story is a part of every culture in the world, so you can develop your knowledge with reading stories. Traditional fairy tales, urban legends, jokes, or autobiographies are among a good resource for your reading skills. 5. Watch the Persian TV shows and programs. I suggest you to watch high quality Persian TV programs in which people converse. Perhaps program on the Iranian national channels are good. Number 6, watch news in Persian language. By listening to the news, you can train your ear to understand the correct pronunciation and also to learn grammar. Number 7, read newspapers. Select among the highly circulated newspapers such as Hamshahri or other newspapers, and no difference. By reading newspapers, you can see how a writer express his idea or what grammatical structure they use in the writing. You can follow most of the Iranian newspapers on the web. Number 8, games or crossword puzzles. Believe me or not, game and crossword puzzles play an important role in learning, because in playing games you are very relaxed, and then you can learn the language better. By the way, you can learn lots of new words and lots of things in a fun way. To tell you the truth, I learned English by playing video games because I love video games. And when I was a child, I was playing games, and those were in English language. I didn't have any sources like internet, or I didn't have any teacher on that time. Just a very small English to Persian dictionary. I remember that I sit down when I'm playing there, and I didn't know, even I didn't know how to find a word in a dictionary. Just I searching in the pages to find that word I wanted, more than going to school and reading English books. It was playing video games. Yeah. Number 9, that is very, very good and very fun, is traveling to the Persian speaking countries. Language is all about the communication. When you are in a country, in a place that all the people are speaking a language that you want to learn, is very good for you. You have to speak in that language. You have to understand people. If you want to buy something, if you want to do something, you just communicate and you speak in the target language. So no argue about that. Also, many short courses are held in Iran to help you learn Persian language. In order to know more about these official centers that help these courses, you can visit these sites. And also, I will put these links in the description. And number 10, and the last one, when you want to learn a new language, such as Persian, it's better to change your phone language into Persian, because we use phones every day. So every day you see the Persian text, Persian notifications, and if you want to do anything, you have to do it through Persian language. Also, Telegram and Instagram support Persian language. So you can change the language of these two apps into Persian. So that was the 10 tips. I hope it was useful for you. If you know other tips that help you to learn Persian better, you can write in comments. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to follow the Instagram page. You can find good posts there, believe me. Okay, see you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khadafez.